Maintaining a healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being. The food we consume plays a vital role in supporting a healthy gut. Here are some tips for choosing foods that promote good digestive health. Firstly, incorporating fiber-rich foods is essential. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa are excellent sources of fiber that aid digestion and prevent constipation. Fruits and vegetables, particularly berries, apples, broccoli, and spinach, also provide high fiber content. Probiotic-rich foods are another key component for a healthy gut. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi contain beneficial bacteria that promote digestion and maintain a balanced gut flora. Prebiotic foods, such as bananas, onions, garlic, and asparagus, provide nourishment for these beneficial bacteria. It's important to stay hydrated as well. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day supports healthy digestion and prevents dehydration, which can lead to constipation. Reducing processed and high-fat foods is beneficial for digestive health. These foods are often low in fiber and can cause bloating, discomfort, and irregular bowel movements. Instead, opt for lean proteins like fish, chicken, and legumes. Chewing food thoroughly and eating at a slower pace can aid digestion. Taking smaller bites and savoring each mouthful allows for better breakdown of food and nutrient absorption. Incorporating herbal teas like peppermint or ginger tea can have a soothing effect on the digestive system. They can help alleviate symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Lastly, listening to your body and being mindful of food sensitivities or intolerances is crucial. Certain individuals may have specific dietary requirements or may need to avoid certain foods that trigger digestive issues. By following these tips and adopting a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, you can support a healthy digestive system and promote overall well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice based on your specific needs.